going sideways.
Okay, go, Riku.
What am I trying to do?
You're gonna jump once you get really high.
How high is really high?
Until you feel like you're gonna puke.
That's a scary thought. This isn't working.
He's gonna break something. Do you want me to push you?
No!
No.
Didn't work so well. Hey, what's up? Good shove. Oh my god, this. Ow, slivers.
My blindfold coming off. Is it still recording?
It doesn't look like a blindfold anymore.
Oh.
You know what? You're weird.
How was it?
I don't know.
Well, look.
This is going well.
Fall.
Oh! I pushed you sideways, didn't I?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm not a... Oh, I was about to say I'm not a straight person.
Okay.
Wait, do you... Twice! Riku's dead.
I swallowed my Tic Tac.
This wasn't gum. Do you...
Kingdom Hearts 2 Riku 1, blindfold Riku 0.
I don't know, this 1, 2...
Oh god, my ass hurts.
I'm so sorry. Take it.
Take it like a man.
Now what?
Do it again.
No.
Fall this time.
I cannot fall. I have no sleeves.
I obviously fall.
How come I keep on falling?
I
Ow.
always forget to shoot.
I always forget. Shut up.
Hang on.
There's just once. That's not a good idea. You drop that.
Yeah, I know. My parents fall down when I fall. Oh, that must have been a pleasant view.
You should just film. Whoa. That didn't sound like Riku.
Hey.
Feel pleasant. We need to find a bigger swing set. Hey, don't push me, don't push me. Oh,
We should do like Riku's point of view as he's swinging.
Can we?
Yeah, do it.
Don't push me.
I won't.
prick. Why do you always zoom it in by like 1.3?
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I didn't mean to zoom it in.
That sounded eerie. Oh, Jesus. I think you broke it.
Yeah. You were on it last.
You were on it last. I'm on it currently. What are you doing? Whoa, this isn't working so great. Hey, Riku.
Is it recording?
Yes.
I love my
You haven't even been having the whole time. Hey, look, a bench. Let's make you trip over.
No.
What are we gonna do? What?
Mount the hill, Mr. Sparrow.
I don't know how to do this.
We will take
I
down.
feel really tall.
What's the guy's name?
Who?
Barbossa.
Who's Bob?
We will take down Captain Barbossa. Oh.
Holy shit, that's scary. They move.
It's wooden.
What's wooden?
Your
face. Oops. What do you want to do? Riku?
Get past the sex toy, first of all.
And then it breaks through, and I'm like, ah! I don't believe so. Do it, Riku. Your feet are going to touch the ground as soon as you... This is going so well.
Yeah! No one, just like don't show my feet.
Yeah.
On YouTube. Oh god, I'm getting tired. I don't know if I can do this. Oh! Riku, can we take a vacation to Destiny Islands again?
Sure.
Really?
Again?
Again?
Like I've known you for like ever.
Or 5 minutes.
Taking a break.
I just met her in the Goodwill. I don't know her name.
We met in the... And then you want... Oh shit. Oh no. No, you don't. Something smells like fish.
Sorry. That's a tiny slice. Oh!
It's like he's stuck in the slide.
Oh, it's cold!
Twirl it. Twirl it. And do a dance. Twirl it and do a pretty dance.
I don't know if I can twirl it.
I think you twirled it splendidly.
Oh!
Oh, that's skill. No. Hey.
Welcome to Dulux. I'm gonna get copyright issues.
We're not gonna get copyright issues. Oh my god. We need to find another park. A bigger park.
Scare random people.
A splendid. That's what you get for wearing a blindfold.
On eBay, what?
Did? Birds.
Boobs.
I ran into a bird today. I feel so awful. It's alright. Oh!